I'm so hungry. I hope Mom has finished cooking. I'm home. Mom, is lunch ready?
Yes, Tom, I'm serving it now.
It's delicious. Mom.
You like it, Tom? Eat as much as you want.
Mom, can I go ride my bike?
Yes, you can, Tom. But remember, you have to be careful, Tom.
Huh?
What? Tom. Tommy, my son.
There's damage to Tommy's eyes. As a result, Tommy can't see, unless there's an eye donor for him.
I must do something for Tommy. I can't let him live without his sight. Yes, doctor, I'm sure about my decision.
Where am I? Why am I here? Where's Mom? Mom, what really happened? What's wrong with your eyes? Mom, what's going on? Doctor, what happened to my mother's eyes?
You had an accident, Tom. As a result, you lost your vision. Your mother donated her eyes to you.
Wasn't there any other way, Doc?
Your mother can see again if there's a donor for her, Tom. But it's also very expensive.
I have to work to save money for Mom. I have to hurry. Tonight, there's a package I need to deliver.
Oh, my eyes. Finally, I can see again. Thank you, Tom. Because your hard work, I can see again.